Another way to add detail to your object is by using the cut faces and splitting all the object tools. So what's that? If we click on this cube, alright, let's click on the cube, drag it up, smooth shade it. So if we go into menu, you find a tool called cut faces. I think let's start with a split polygon tool, okay? Split polygon tool. What does that do? If you click on here and there, then press enter, and let's go into object mode. Might as well go into faces. If you've noticed that we've got two faces on top of you, we've actually split this one face into two faces. Okay, you can see it's two faces because it's on its own. It's on its face. It's standing on its own. So this can cause some problems sometimes if you're trying to model, but I need to show you anyway. Yeah, so this is how it works. And if you want to delete a face on here, you can click on that face and delete it. You can click on that face and delete it, while still having the other face as a separate face, you know. So let's click back. Yeah, this is how the splitting polygon works. So the best sometimes it's best to go into orthographic view to actually work through this this stuff. To go into orthographic view, you would be able to actually go from grid to grid. Okay, that way you'll be able to cut a precise cut to achieve a precise cut. So let's go back into orthographic view. What else do I need to show you? If you go to okay, let's just go back and we have our original cube. If you go back to edit menu, you find the cutting faces tool. So the cutting faces tool is this one. What does that do? That enables us, so click, drag to cut. You already have the instruction of how to do it. Click. If you click, just wait a second. If you click once like normal clicking, it will just cut automatically, okay? So you have to click and you drag. You click on the left button and just remain, keep your finger on there. You will have some sort of a knife, okay? So that knife cuts, okay? Anyway, I'll redo this one. Make sure you make sure you press enter, okay? Make sure you press enter and go back into select 2. See, it's sort of cut. It's cut all the way down. So if we rubber band select these vertices, faces. If we rubber band select these faces and do that, you notice that it's actually cut through. Okay, it's actually cut through. I made a mistake. I rubber band selected the bottom as well, but anyway, you get the idea. It cuts all the way through. So and again, to achieve the best results, you have to achieve the best results, you have to take it into orthographic view. You have to take it into orthographic view and get our two cut faces too. Okay, orthographic cut faces. And if we want to cut from that angle to that, it's, as you can see, it's snapping to grid, to like points of grid. This is because we've got snapping turned on, but if we've got snapping turned off, it doesn't work like that. It works smooth. It depends what we've got turned on the magnetic thing at the top. So snap to, anyway, you get the idea. Snap to that too, to that grid, and rotate it. You notice that it's actually cut the whole lot. So let's rubber band select again, see if to make sure we don't mess it up this time. Crap. Okay, make sure you're in 2 mode. Select 2. So faces, just option shift click, okay? Or might as well paint. Hey, what the hell? Anyway, you get the idea. We can actually select click and delete our object. So remember, cut to and the split polygons too. These enable us to actually detail our object better or whatever. You get the idea. So go to the. I hope this helps you a bit. Go to the next tutorial and yeah. I hope I will teach you a bit more in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Bye bye.